Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make Moong Dal Bhajiyas or Moong Dal Pakodas. For this recipe, we need Moong Dal, chopped onion, coriander leaves and green chilies, fennel, dhania and ajwain, salt and freshly ground black pepper and amchur powder. Soak Moong Dal in water for about 4 to 5 hours. Then drain the water, wash with fresh water and grind into a paste. Remove the paste into a bowl, add salt and whisk until fluffy. Now add chopped onion, green chilies and coriander leaves. Then add dhania, fennel, ajwain and freshly ground black pepper and mix well. Now it's time to deep fry them until golden brown and they are ready.